Hi there, my name is Veena Prashant. I'm the co-founder of Digital Access Pass, a membership plugin for WordPress. DAP is one of the most powerful membership plugins for WordPress. It's loaded with features, pretty much everything that you need in a membership plugin. You're likely going to find it in DAP because it has so many advanced features. Some of those features were not always easy to use. In the last couple of years, with every release, we have focused on making things easier, making things more intuitive for our users. The last 6 months, I have talked to a lot of our customers, both new and existing, gotten a ton of feedback, just been watching them navigate and how they are using our interfaces in DAP and where they are getting stuck, things that they are finding confusing. And we have learned a lot in the process. So today, I am thrilled to let you know that DAP version 15 is out in the world. And this release is completely based on the feedback we have gotten from both our new and existing customers. I'm so excited about this release because as far as features, there are no membership plugins that can compare to DAP. But now with this release, we have taken the ease of use to a whole new level. And I think you're going to love the updates we have made. I can't wait to show you what we have done. So let's dive in. So this is an old version of DAP, and you can see how we have here. We have DAP in the left sidebar, and we have all of these menu items that has nothing to do with what you see here up here at the top. But people that are used to WordPress plugins and how most of the WordPress plugins have their navigation, they were getting confused. So let me now show you what we have changed and how we have changed this. So this is the new version of DAP. You can see everything has changed here. So what you see here on the left side in this menu is similar to what you see here up at the top. So you can get to it from here or you can get to it from DAP. All right. Now say that you want to get to your products page and you want to create different membership products and courses and challenges and all that. Click on this, products and courses, and you can also get to it from here. So there's no more confusion as to how do I get to my products? How do I find my members? Where do I find all my orders? Where can I create my member pages? Everything is centralized right under DAP, so there's no more confusion. All the main menu items are here. You can also get to it from here, but it's also here. So say that you want to create different types of products. Now DAP is a membership plugin, but you can use it for your free offers, for your paid offers, for online courses. It comes with an advanced built-in learning management system that I'm really proud of. It's different than other learning management platforms. It's more advanced and easier to use and more intuitive. You're going to love DAP's LMS, and we have made several updates in this release to DAP's built-in LMS. I'll show you that in a bit. But you can create all kinds of products in DAP. You can click on this button here. You can select what you want to create, if it's a membership, if it's a paid product, a one-off product, digital product, online course, group memberships, free offer, trial membership, a free or paid challenge. You can create all sorts of products in DAP. Really simple process. Say you want to create a membership, you can just say what type of membership you want to create, give it a name here, and then save. It'll bring you to the membership product builder and step-by-step process. Really simple. And then go to the next step. Is it a free or paid product? Subscription. Do you want to offer a trial? What's the subscription price? Is it monthly? Is it unlimited? Save and next. You can assign your content that belongs to the membership, and you can set up your welcome email here that users will get when they sign up for your membership. And you can set up any follow-up emails you want to send them. And that's it. And you have your membership product ready. It's all done. And now you can create a payment button to sell it. And to create a payment button, you can use our shopping cart plugin called Smart Pay Card, which is a really easy to use plugin, really simple. And similarly, you can create all kinds of products. I'm going to show you what we have changed in DAP's course builder in this release in a bit, but let's take a look at all the other menu items that we have here. If you click on members, it will bring you to the members page where you will find a list of all of your members. You can give them access, you can remove access, you can delete members, and you can import new members. If you want to migrate from a different membership plugin to DAP, you can import your users, you can add custom fields. If you want to edit details of an existing member, you can just click on their name. This pop-up will open up in the site, and there you can find their name and email, and you can update their account information if you want. And the new thing we have added here is user tags. What tags they have, why they got the tag, right? And for what product they got the tag. And is this because they completed a lesson in your course? When did they get the tag? So all the tag related information. So we have added several features related to tags. All right, so this is member management. If you click on orders, it will bring you to the orders page where you'll find all of your payment orders. You can refund, you can cancel, all of that can be managed here. Member facing pages is where we have made the biggest update in this release. And I'm going to talk to you about this after I show you all the other things, because this is the one where we have made the most changes. Email for email broadcasts, email follow-ups, all of that you can set up here. So affiliates, if you use DAP to offer an affiliate program, you will find all the affiliate related stuff here. All the global membership site settings you'll find here, and you can customize your messages. You can translate your messages here, and you will find the logs here. All right. So everything is much easier to find now, but the most changes we have made in this release is to the member facing pages and different ways you can create member facing pages. Here you can see all the member facing pages are right here. Login, member dashboard, my content, profile, affiliate, invoice, cancellation, group account. You'll find a list of all of your pages that you have created already here, and you can edit and update the settings. Now say that it's a brand new membership site and you're looking to create member facing pages for the first time. We have really simplified this where you don't have to manually create anything. All you have to do is click on create new member page. It's going to bring you here and you can create whatever page you want to create. So if it's a brand new membership site, you don't yet have any of these pages, you can select all of these and get DAP to create it for you, whichever ones you want, and then click on create selected. And it will let you enter a name for each one of these pages. DAP will create a page in WordPress by this name. And again, all DAP will do is create these pages in WordPress and insert a shortcode on each one of these pages. But later, if you change your mind and you want to use that shortcode on a different page, you can do it. If you want to rename the page, that's fine too. You can change it. All right. So give it a name here. And all of these pages, you can give it any name you want, and you can click to create, and DAP will generate all of these pages for you. Now here I have already created all these pages, so I'm not going to create it again. All right. So you can see here, this is my login page. All right. And so you can fully customize this in the backend. Click on login, and here you will find the login page, and you can search for a specific page if you want and click on edit, whatever you want, because DAP will create these pages with the default settings. But if you want to update anything, you can update it here. This is the default template and it's selected, and this is the customizer, and all of this is click and edit. I have already customized this page, but this is how it works. All right. So all of these pages can be customized. DAP will create it with the default settings, but you can always change it. Now let me show you my dashboard page, which DAP has created for me. So this is the DAP dashboard page that DAP has created for me. And you can see here in progress courses, enroll but not yet started. Users can click on this button to start it. Your products, all the other types of products and services. And you might be interested in section where they can learn more, right? And all of this can be customized in the backend. Let me show you that. I have multiple of each just because I have created several for testing purposes, but you can create as many as you want, but this is the main one. Let me edit and show you my settings. So you can see here, all of these can be customized. Completed courses. Do you want to show completed courses? If no, remove that, and that section will not be displayed in the dashboard. All right. And similarly, all these other section, enrolled section, not enrolled, everything can be turned on and off. And in the customizer, you can enable this where you can display points and badges. If you're using the Game of Points plugin, you can use this. Otherwise, you can turn this off. And again, everything is fully customizable. This is what users are seeing in the front end, all the colors, everything. Click and edit. You can change it to say whatever you want. And DAP is just using the default settings to create this page for you, but you can always come back here and update it. Let me quickly show you my content. I won't go through the rest because pretty simple, very straightforward, all of these interfaces. You can edit, you can update, you can change the template. All of this works the same way. All right, so this is the My Content interface. Let me go ahead and edit one of my pages and show you my settings. So you can see here, this is the name. Do you want to display just the ones that logged in member has? Do you want to display all the products in My Content area? You can use this to upsell products and services members don't yet have. There are several My Content templates. So if you want to display multiple products in each row, you can select this template. If you want to display one product in each row, there are several options where one product will be displayed. Now, these are the products that the logged in members have. So when they log in, you can send them to this page so they can find all the products, all the services they have from you. And also the ones they don't have will be grayed out if you want. And for that, you can say, I want to display all the products, even the ones that they don't have, but you can hide certain products using this setting. And what template you use is up to you. If you're confused about where users are going to get redirected when they click on Access Content button, or if it's not working right, click on this. And this is a new thing we have just added where it will show you all the products and what is your current settings. You can see here, these fields are empty, which means Access Content button will not link to anything for these products. These are just test products. It doesn't matter. But if these are real products, make sure that this one is set to wherever you want to send the users, wherever you want to send the users when they click on the Access Content button. So this is where it will be linked to. If your Access Content button is not working for a specific product, it means this is not correct. So where the access content button links to depends on your product settings. Let me quickly show you. So say that this is your product in DAP. If you click on edit, it will bring you here under rules. Whatever you set here, redirect, right? This is where the access content will link to. So just be sure that you have set this correctly. So if it's not working right, your access content button, it means you're not using the right URL here. All right. So even in the member dashboard like this one, this access content is linking to what you have set there in the product settings or the course settings. So now I want to show you two other major updates we have made. Updates we have made to DAP courses, DAP course interface, and also the updates that we have made to tags, how you can assign different tags when users complete lessons and how you can do full tag automation. All right, so let me show you that now. So this is the backend of DAP, and here under products, courses, it will show you a list of all of your courses. And I want to show you all the updates we have made to DAP's built-in course builder. All right, so this is one of my recently released courses. I just launched this course. I'm going to edit and show you my settings. So this is DAP's course builder, and course name and description, step-by-step course creation process, super simple. I'm not going to go over the details of how to create a course because we have different videos for that. But in this case, for this course, I'm using this structure, modules and lessons, and they can get to the next lesson after they complete each lesson. If you want to make first few lessons public, there's an option for that as well. This is a free course. You can limit the access if you want to 7 days, 14 days, or you can make it lifetime, like I have done. Course template. So course template is something that will be applied to all the lessons in your course. So this way they will all look like they are part of the same course. And what you have here is completely up to you. I have dragged and dropped an image here. See here, like this. And I have uploaded this image right here that you see. This is how I have added the image here. And you can drag and drop it anywhere you want. You can move it up, move it down, and you can add other elements. And all of this will be applied to all the lessons in your course. So just be aware of that. Anything you add here will be added to all the lessons in your course. All right. And this part will come from the lesson builder. For each lesson, this content is lesson content. It's going to be different for each lesson. A mark as complete button will show up under each lesson. And if you have a common resources section you want for entire course, you can add it here like I have done because this is just a short course. But if you want to add a resources section under each lesson, you can do that too. So let's take a look at the lesson builder now. Lesson builder is where you can create your lessons, you can add your lesson content. And one more thing is I'm using DAP's built-in template, right? This is the one I'm using. When you create a new course in DAP, you'll have the option to select this one where you can use your WordPress content. You can create all your lessons in WordPress and you can make it part of your course in DAP. You don't have to use DAP's built-in course builder. In my case, I like to use this one. It gives me a lot more options and it's so much more easier than having to go to WordPress and creating all the content. So I create everything here inside of DAP, much simpler. And here under lesson builder, these are the modules I have. Under introduction, I have protected it, but it's not really part of the lesson. This is just my dashboard page. I have just protected it under this module. And you can do that. You can say add other content for any other content that's not really part of your lessons, but you want to make it, but you want to protect it under the course. You can do that using this option. Here, let me edit this lesson and show you my settings. So we have this lesson builder and tags. Tags is new that we have just added where you can assign lesson level tags. And I'll show you how this works. And let's start with the lesson builder. So this is the lesson builder for my first lesson. One of the options we have added here is the ability to reduce the size of the video like this, right? So before we didn't have this. So it used to be max width, but we have changed it now. You can adjust the size. And under video, when you click on this video element, you can see below it, there is a customizer that opens up. We have added several options here. You can add a frame like I have added here, right? You can change the color of the frame to any color you want. It will stand out like this one. You can adjust the border. You can add a border radius to this. This is a YouTube video, all right? So for that, I'm using a video element. But if you have a shortcode for your video player, then you can use the shortcode element. You don't have to use the video element. But if you have an embed code, like in case of YouTube, there is an embed code. So I'm using the video element, and then I've entered my embed code for this video right here, all right? And here under the source, you can select external video link. For example, if you use Vimeo for your video and you have an embed code, you can enter that here. And then you can adjust it, all right? So all of these customizer options are new that we have just added. And the task list. So another awesome feature we have is the task list. You can have users complete the task and check this box to indicate they have completed it. You can add as many tasks as you want, fully customizable. this text. So here I have already added, you can see here, this is my task list. Users can complete it. For each lesson, I'm using a different task list. And this is a hyperlink. The editor opens up. You can link it to wherever you want, like I have done here. Now what we have done here is under the element customizer. Now this element customizer will open up when you select the element that you want to customize. In this case, I want to customize the task element. So it has opened this up. Under the tasks style, you can now see we have added width. We didn't have the width option before. So it used to take full width, but now you can reduce the size if you want. All right. So this is another option we have added to the lesson builder. So now let me take you to the front end and show you what it looks like in the front end. So this is the DAP's course builder built course. And all of this is done by DAP automatically. You don't have to build any of this. You don't have to manually set this up, because when you use the built-in template, that's the advantage, because all the shortcodes are already there and DAP will create it for you. And this is the course template. But this part is coming from the lesson builder, right? All the lesson related content. This part is common to all the lessons. So I'm using the common resources section. The gray border is showing up here if you want to increase the width, and you can change the color as well so it stands out. And you can see here, this is the task list. So now because we added the width option, I'm able to reduce the size of this. So users can complete these tasks and then they can check the box to say they have completed it. Click on Mark as complete. I have enabled animation in the backend using my Game of Points plugin. And you can configure DAP to display different messages as they complete each lesson. And then they can access the next lesson. What I'm doing is I'm giving them a quick quiz tip. Here they can learn something new about the quiz when they complete each lesson. A quick tip, and then they can go to the next lesson. So this is the next lesson. Here you can see this is the task list. You can add different task lists under each lesson. Users click on Mark as complete. You can display different animations. And this is a message I have configured that shows up for lesson number 2. You can display different messages when they complete each lesson, right? These are lesson specific. And when you use our Game of Points plugin for DAP, you can activate it. And if you do that in the back end, right here, you can see there is a Game of Points gamification tab right here in the course builder. And for each lesson, you can do different things. For my introduction lesson, I'm giving them points when they complete it, 1 point. And the message, you can see this is the message that's displayed when they complete the lesson. So you can enter different messages for different lessons. When they complete it, they will see this message that you have and they will get a point. And animation, you can do different animations every time they complete the lesson. So for each lesson, you can display different animation. You can upload your own animation here, right here. And you can do that. You can also have it hide after like 3 seconds, 2 seconds. And you can upload an audio as well that goes along with the animation to create a really cool effect. So this is how it works. So now let me show you the tags feature, another amazing feature. So let's pick this one. Click on tags. This is the lesson. It says what should happen after users complete this lesson. Assign these tags. So if you want to assign a specific tag when users complete a lesson in your course, you can create a tag if it's not already there. It will create that tag in DAP. And if it's there, you can just select it. And if you want to remove a specific tag when users complete a lesson, you can do that too. It will remove it from DAP. And you can click here to set up tag automations. What this means is what should happen when users get this tag. You can start the automation, add a trigger. When users receive access to the tag, add an action. What should happen if you want to add them, say, to ActiveCampaign? Select the list. I have not connected it to ActiveCampaign, so I don't have that option. But you can connect it to your email platform, save action, and users will be added with the right tag to your email platform, to that list, right? So this is how the tag-based automation works, where you can give users different tags as they complete each lesson. And if you want to see what tags they have, you can go to DAP member pages, under members, find the member, and then click on their name. It will bring you here. Click on edit tag details. You can see all the tags they have earned, right? So lesson 1, if you have manually assigned a tag, it will show it. And if they automatically got a tag, it will show the tag that they have gotten by completing a lesson. Tag reason, lesson completion. And if you're manually giving them a tag like I have done here, you can select a tag you want to give them, enter the reason, and click on assign, and DAP will give them that tag, all right? So this is a tag that will be assigned in DAP. But if you want to automate it when users complete each lesson, you can easily do this in the course builder by clicking on tags and follow the steps to set up tag-based automations. That's it for now. As you can see, we have made things so much more easier and way more intuitive than it was before. And we are not done yet. We are going to continue to make DAP easier for you and make it better. We pay attention to feedback and we continually update it based on feedback. And we are going to continue to do this. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to your feedback. That's it for now. I'll be back soon. Bye for now.